Good morning. Okay, y'all, I'm back at Aldi. I'm getting ready to go in here and grab some of those single wick candles that was on clearance yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of those because I most definitely want the cabana linen. My plans was to get the 3 wick, but because of the snowstorm and then because of all the other candles, I have not had the chance to grab those candles. But now that the single wicks is on clearance, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab some since they are $1.89. But welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one? Or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my videos out. I truly do appreciate it. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, everything. And if you're following me on Instagram as well as using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick, you are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keep posting. Yeah, I got a lot of running to do. Well, not a lot, but I do have some running to do that I was supposed to do yesterday, but because of the Aldi video went so long, I decided to go ahead and do that today. I gotta go to Hobby Lobby because if you seen on my Instagram story, my candle warmer light has blown out. So I gotta go and grab another light. So I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby, see what they got, go on Aldi, see what they have. I really need to go and buy me some vitamins because your girl got to get her immune system right. I can't get sick no more. No. So we probably just go to Hobby Lobby. So let's head in here, grab our stuff so we can move on. I actually need some gas. Gas is so expensive, y'all. Let's go in here and grab these candles real quick so we could get done. Oh, and I gotta go to the post office as well to check my P.O. box. So let's run in here real quick and then do our other stuff. So let's get it. Hobby Lobby has a number of different warmers. Any type of warmer you're looking for, whether it's a plug in the wall type of wax warmer or the lamp warmer or the plate warmer, just about any kind of warmer you're looking for. Even the diffusers, they have those diffusers as well. But every other week, I believe, they do a 50% sale on their warmers or any of the candle stuff. So that'll be the time that I will wait, if I were you, to get these items because they're super cheap with the 50% discount. So head on over there to Hobby Lobby and grab a warmer. You won't be disappointed. These candles sell out super fast on this 50% sale. So I highly recommend, if you find a scent that you like, grab it or you won't be able to get it, because every time I come to Hobby Lobby, the supply look like this. These candles sell out pretty fast. Okay, y'all, I'm done with all my ripping and running. Yes. Went to Hobby Lobby and grabbed the and grabbed the replacement light bulb for my candle lamp warmer. Got that. Of course, it was on sale, and when it rung up regular price. And I don't know why the guy didn't know that it said candle warmer. So if you go to Hobby Lobby, make sure when these are on sale, make sure they ring up for on sale. The regular price is $6.99. So I paid, what, $3.50 for this? So yes, got that bulb. Happy. Hopefully this is the problem. Hopefully, let me let y'all get a good look at it, just in case your warmer actually need a replacement bulb. They do have them at Hobby Lobby. So yeah, got that. And y'all know your girl went to Aldi. Yes. Like I told y'all, these were ringing up, or they marked them down to $1.89. So I did grab 6 of these just because they're $1.89. Why not? And I did grab one of the 3 wick in it as well. This candle is amazing. I hate the way this jar look. It's just all jacked up and messed up. These were regular price. These were still $4.29. I think the single wick candles probably is not selling good, so I don't know, but these was on clearance, so I grabbed them. I grabbed me a couple of these because this is really good. This is good. And I also grabbed another white peach cobbler. I wanted to grab another one of these just in case I like it, because like I told y'all yesterday, my store, take this out, my store did not get a lot of these. So I figured I better go ahead and grab another one just in case I really like it. So yeah, that was it for that. That was it for Hobby Lobby. I got some more stuff at Hobby Lobby, but that don't even matter. And then I did pick up my package from the post office. So yeah, did everything. Let me know in the comments, did your store mark these single wick candles down to $1.89? I think these came out maybe 2 weeks ago, I believe. I'm not 100% on that. So yeah, let me know. And also let me know what you think about this scent, this Cabana linen scent. Let me know that at the bottom. Also, if you grab this white peach cobbler, let me know what you think about that. I did post something on my Instagram about this candle, so you can head over there and check that little reel out, a story or whatever they call it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, follow me on Instagram, follow or use my hashtag, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime your girl post a video. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.